guys and gals, this is Jesse over at S&J Customs coming back to y'all. And I'm kind of getting a late start this morning, but I was splicing and uploading video. I missed last week. You know, I enjoy this little interaction I have with folks. Yeah, these are the scales, and since that old bandsaw is loud and very ineffective against wood like this, I guess I'm gonna have to put a brand new one on there. What you're gonna use is a 36 grit ceramic belt on low speed, y'all, or you'll burn up this wood and just clog up your belt. That's what'll happen. But I got it cut to shape here. Now what we're gonna do is, I don't even know what to call it, the bolster area of the knife, and we're gonna put a little, get y'all down so y'all can see. And a magic mark on this old dark wood, it won't sew up. So you take a scribe, put your mark like that, and do your little mark like that. And you're kind of going to grind to that line. Don't know if it'll focus and y'all can see that. But here we go, man. I'm going to see y'all at the grinder, okay? Okay, guys. I didn't hit play on the darn camera whenever I shaped these. But what I did was try to get them as geometrically sound as I possibly could. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and hit them on that buffer. I will not film that because I need to concentrate everything on that, because in my opinion, that buffing wheel, that's the most dangerous tool I got. I mean, that's over the forge and everything else, because it's thrown knives at me before. And that's kind of what we're looking like, man. All right, guys, I'll bring y'all back whenever I get ready to glue up, but I'm going to go ahead and shape these tips right here, get them buffed out off camera, just because I need to concentrate on doing that, and because it's got to be geometrically perfect in that buffing wheel. It is dangerous. All right, y'all. Hey guys, right back at y'all before we start the glue up, but this is what happens when you put it on that buffer right there. She finishes out real nice. Now this handle's gonna be kind of big because this is a big man. We're making this handle to fit, and pretty much what we're gonna do is knock off the sharp edges and polish it up, you know, and it'll fit his hand real good. Big man. All right, guys, I'll get back with y'all. Normally y'all don't see me put that much epoxy down, but this got a lot of little scratches in there from the original maker. But I kind of want to fill up, give a plenty hole on that. Now, I believe that was about as trouble-free a fill-up as I've ever had, y'all. Yeah. Whoa. And see, we got blessed and we got very little squeeze out. But you want to clean this area up while it's, fresh.